Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to use SportMe, and I'm also going to explain how you can get extra spending power when your account balance isn't enough to cover a transaction. So first of all, you need to simply use your Chime application on your phone. Then you need to go to the SportMe section. If you are eligible and enrolled, you will see your available SportMe limit, which will be displayed on the screen. Now, before making any of the purchases, you need to review how much SportMe coverage you currently have. So this amount is going to represent how much Chime may cover when your balance falls below zero during eligible transactions. You can also use Chime debit card as you normally would. If your balance is too low and the transaction qualifies, SportMe can automatically cover the differences up to your available limit. Now, SportMe is designed to help with purchases when you are short on the funds. So instead of requesting in advance manually, this feature works automatically in the background whenever an eligible transaction needs coverage. So when your next qualify direct deposit arrives, the amount covered by SportMe is automatically repaid. You don't need to submit a separate payment or repayment request. So that's how you can get money from Chime SportMe in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.